And that's how you do it. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. For me, it is 3:25 and it's Friday the 3rd of May. And you join me in Newtown Regis. I'm off to Sutton's, and instead of going the main road in, I thought I would come the back way. I like this road. Forgot about that bit though. I do like that bit just there with the couple of twists and then back into 30 zone. So yeah, I mean, just a nice quick little run out to go and get some supplies, mainly visor cleaner and something to clean my textiles with. So I thought whilst I was heading out, I'd get a vlog in, and this one is one of the challenge accepted challenges vlogs, if that makes sense. And this one's a really simple one, and it's not trying not to get killed. It's very simply a shout out to two of your favourite motor vloggers that have less than 1,000 subs. And of course, that's a fairly easy one really. I had a quick flick through my subscriptions, looked at who I had less than 1,000, and surprisingly I was really surprised at how many have less than 1,000 subs. And I will put them on a little scroll onto the side, and this will be scrolling down now. But I can't say everyone, I can't give a reason why for everyone, but I certainly can give reasons for two. And the first one is really easy. This took literally no thinking. And of course, it's me. No, not really. Not really, no. I couldn't resist. No, the first one's a really easy one. I've mentioned him before. And that's Adventures with Woody. Yeah, he's got two bikes. He's got Woody, which is a Sinis. Oh God, what is it? It's not Apache because that's Lex Moto. Was it the Pulse Adrenaline? I can't remember if it's the Sinis or the Pulse. But basically it's the 250, which if at first, like me, you thought that was a bit bizarre because you only thought that that bike was at 125, you're correct. I thought it was only a 125, but no, it is a 250. And he has Tetley, which is a Suzuki GSXF 750, I believe. And why do I consider him one of my favourite vloggers under the 1,000 sub mark? It's quite certain. It's very, very simple, this one. Graham's videos are normally in excess of 15 to 20 minutes, sometimes more. And whilst that may seem an awful long time for a moto vlog, I don't know how, but somehow he can pull it off. And not only does he pull it off, he pulls it off well. I mean, his videos are a good mix of garage videos, vlogs, and I've gone wrong, Glasgow, I can go that way, vlogs, and rides, and yeah, I just enjoy watching them. He has just recently done a little series where he's had a bit of help from a few people, and he's basically got technically like a new bike. For my second choice is another fairly easy one actually. And that's simply Big Pezza. Now, why is Big Pezza my second favourite? Well, quite simply, it's his off-road videos. And all the Taffy Dakar stuff he's done, which is the off-roading, and as well as his just random collection of bikes, and as well as his Big Pezza's Little Trip series. And this just got good quality content. Now, I would go in and list what bikes Big Pezza has, and I will, but I can guarantee you I may damn well be wrong, because he buys more bikes than I've ever had. So he's got the BMW GS650, 2 Honda C90s, a Honda CRF 250M, which is the Supermoto, but he's put knobblies on it. And a Suzuki Intruder that I've only seen one video on that, so I don't know if he's still got it or not. But yeah, he does a great off-road series. His Big Pezza's Little Trip series is brilliant. I've been really getting into that. And yeah, it's just a pretty good commentary. And in fact, it's Pezza that got my YouTube account showing up the awesome players, which are motorcyclists from Canada that do a lot of off-roading, but they're well over the 1,000 sub miles, so they don't count. So yeah, that's it. Big Pezza and Adventures with Woody, both of which I'll link in the description, and I actively encourage you to go and give them a little watch. And of course, whilst you're giving them a little watch and sub, if you've not already, then give me a little sub. So yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.